Hello everyone and welcome back to one more video of All Lite Food, and today I'm going to make one of my favorite vegetable hot and sour soup. To make the recipe, first in a saucepan I will take 1.5 tablespoons of cooking oil, and while the oil is warming I'm going to quickly chop some ginger, garlic and green chilies. It's going to add number of medicinal properties to the soup as well as the taste. And finally, half a green chili. If you want to avoid green chili, then it's absolutely fine. And now add all the chopped ginger, garlic and green chili straight into the oil. Saute for a couple of seconds. And while the ginger, garlic and green chilies are cooking, I'm going to quickly chop some green beans. Just cut them into small pieces and straight into the saucepan. Give a mix and cook for a minute. While the green beans are cooking, I'm going to chop some cabbage and carrots. I will quickly finely chop a little bit of cabbage and 1 carrot. Once done, straight into the saucepan. Fry the vegetables for a minute and not more than that. Finally, half a chopped tomato. Straight into the vegetables. Make sure not to cook the vegetables for a long time. Just let them remain uncooked. Once done, add 3 cups of water and let the soup to boil. Then salt to taste. While the soup is boiling, I'm going to quickly mix a seasoning sauce. And for that, in a bowl I will take 1 tablespoon of green chili sauce, then half a tablespoon of dark soya sauce, add a little bit of water and give it a quick mix. Next to this I will add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. I'll give it a quick mix. And finally, freshly ground black pepper powder as needed. Once the soup starts boiling, I'm going to add this sauce mixture into it. I'll just quickly give it a mix and let it to boil for 2 more minutes. And while the soup is boiling, I'm going to quickly chop some fresh coriander leaves and straight into the soup. Finally, the vegetable hot and sour soup is ready to enjoy a cold winter evening. Turn off the stove and serve it hot. So thank you so much for watching All Lite Food. I'm sure you enjoyed the recipe. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Comment and share the video with your loved ones. I shall see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy. For health related articles and everyday recipes, please visit my blog at www.alllitefood.com and do connect with me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook.